Alright, so this is the present value for compound interest. And so this is basically the principal that you invested earlier. So as I showed you before, the derivation of this is A equals P into 1 plus I to the power n. That's the original formula for compound interest. And then you just isolate for P. And so this is equal to A into 1 plus I to the power n. And once you bring this to the top, this is the formula for principal. And so this basically this is the exact same as a compound interest question. You're just trying to find the principal value instead of the end value. So let's just go straight to a question because you guys already know the basics behind it. So this is a good application question. I'll write it out for you guys and then we will work through it. Alright, so this question it's not too difficult, but it's lengthy in a way that you have to do multiple steps to find the answer. So the question says, Jeff invests $13,600 at an interest rate of 14% per annum, compounded quarterly for 4 years. He will invest the saved amount plus some money that he earned from work at 13% per annum for 5 years. At then he hopes to have $50,000. So how much money should he invest from work? Alright, so let's go through this. We'll start off with the beginning. And this simply is an compound interest question where you will find the future value. So this is your present value. This is your interest rate. It's quarterly. And it's for 4 years. So let's work through this. The amount is equal to the present value. The amount is equal to the present value into 1 plus the interest to the power of n, which is number of years. So this is equal to the originally invested 13,600 into 1 plus the interest rate, which is 14%, but this is compounded quarterly, so you would divide this by 4, and this is for 4 years, but you multiply by 4 because it's 4 compounding periods. And so this is equal to $23,582.21. Alright, so that's just the first step. All you found was the amount he'd invest along with the money he got from work. So we want to find how much money he needs for $50,000. So he's already invested this much. So let's see how much he needs in general for $50,000. So his amount's going to be $50,000. And we're going to find his present value. So in this case, PV equals the amount into 1 plus I to the power of negative n, which is the equation. And so we know the amount is 50,000. That's the future value. We know the interest rate is 13% per annum, and it's compounded annually. That's fine. And then it's 5 years. And his future value is $50,000. So this is equal to 50,000 into 1 plus 0.13 to the power of negative 5, which is equal to 27,138. So right now he would need to invest $27,138 to earn $50,000 in 5 years at this interest rate, which is pretty good in real life, but it's not going to happen. Alright, so Now part 3, we want to find out how much money he invested from work, which is exactly what the question asks for. How much money from work should he invest? So the money from work he should invest, money from work, is equal to the total amount you got for 50,000. So 27,138 minus the money he earned from his previous investment, which is 23,582. Which is minus 23,582.21, and this is equal to 3,555.79. So therefore, from work, he should add 3,555.79. So he will have 50,000 after 5 years. And so present value is basically just this, and that's the unit. Next we'll start annuities, and yep.